I was working at Withington Hospital. I was a student nurse then, become a general nurse, and then I went on to do my midwifery training and ended up as a midwife. From 64 to 98. When I first left, it was very difficult. You wanted to care for people. You never stopped caring. I volunteer at the church across the way, and we run a club for people with disabilities. Got osteoarthritis, and mainly in my knees, so it gets very stiff and can't walk very far. Couldn't do the things I perhaps did a long time ago, because I used to enjoy walking from parks and gardens and things. We needed some new chairs. I'd seen it advertised, sort of in the magazines and on the telly. Contacted them, and a man came and brought a chair, and we tried it out, and they fit it to you, your individual needs. They measure the height, what height you would need it, and where the back would fit. They showed you the way now it goes up and tilts, and they show you all the different massages and things. If I was reading or something, I'd put the foot thing up and put it back a bit. The arms are nice and firm, and cushions firm. Well, I've had friends come and tried it, but they say, oh, I like this, and they're having a go, and you can bring your feet up and go back if you're feeling tired or anything. You could send you to sleep.